gives you a little picture here. It says a tree makes a shadow that is 14 feet long. So here's our tree. Here's the shadow that it cast. Rachel is 6 feet tall. So here's Rachel. She's 6 feet tall. When she is standing near the tree, her shadow is 3.5 feet long, which is the best statement that explains why Rachel can use a proportion to estimate the length of the tree. So we could draw in a segment here that would represent the height of the tree, and a segment here that would represent the height of Rachel. And then notice we can draw a triangle here. And so if we have a right angle here, a right angle here, and then this angle, these angles are congruent, we've got similar triangles. So if we know this is 6, we could set up a proportion to estimate the height of the tree. So the height of the tree versus the height of Rachel, which is 6, is equal to the shadow of the tree over the shadow of Rachel. And then notice we can cross multiply to find the height of the tree. Now they didn't ask you to find the height of the tree, they just ask you why you can set up a proportion. And so that reason is going to be A here, that the triangles made by the tree and the shadow and Rachel and her shadow are similar by the angle-angle similarity postulate.